Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here with a quick video. I've got some bags that I need to restring, so I figured I would take you along with me and show you how to do that. So first off, here's one of the bags. Now it used to be an over-the-shoulder like backpack type bag, but the strings kind of, my cat decided to eat the string, so one of them is now gone. So first things first, you're gonna need some materials. So first thing you're gonna need, some string, some scissors, a seam ripper, the bag, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off by, you can tell there's a little bit of string left on this side, and then there's this one that's still good, but it's a little stretched out, so I think I'm probably just going to end up redoing this one too. So first things first, I'm going to turn the bag inside out. So that's the part we're going to take out right now, are those two strings. And then when we cut the new string, we're going to sew it back into here. Alright, so I got the strings out. Now this is completely free. There's a little hole in here about the size of my finger for when we rethread the string, and then I did the same thing on the other side as well. So when we cut our new string, that's what we're going to do. So this one's a little stretched out. I'm going to base my new string on the guide from this one, but this one's a little stretched out, so I think I'm going to take off like maybe this much of the string. Alright, so I think we're going to cut the first one right about here. Just one thing to note, make sure you cut two, because there's two strings. Alright, so for those of you that were confused about the lighter earlier, this is where it comes in handy. Basically what you want to do is, because you cut off the ends, they're a little frayed. So you want to kind of just burn the ends together. That way they don't fray out. And that's kind of going to create like a suture type thing. So yeah, that way it doesn't break at the end. Alright, so I forgot actually to mention earlier, you'll want a paper clip as well. The reason why is because when you have
it's still up there.
Edge, yep.
He seems to like it.
Mm-hmm. side and pull them through. Just like so. And then same thing with the other string. And the cat is trying to come in the door. Sorry for that noise if you hear it. So yeah, same thing. And then you just decide what size you want it to be. I don't really want them showing outside, so I'm just gonna put it like that. So now you can't see the strings anymore, but they're in there, I promise. Alright, and then you're gonna pin it. Alright, so the next step is to sew it together. I don't know if you can tell on here, there's actually two different threads. So there's the straight stitch and then there's the zigzag stitch. So I'm going to do that with both sides. First I'm going to start with the zigzag stitch. So there we have it. A basically brand new bag. Just like that. And then you just wear it around your back. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.